Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite gadgets. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to manually update apps on your Apple Watch in 2025. With Apple continually rolling out new features and security enhancements, keeping your apps updated is key to a smooth and secure experience. Whether you're dealing with a buggy app or just want the newest updates, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone and both devices are updated to the latest software. Think watchOS 12 or whatever the 2025 version is. This ensures everything runs seamlessly. To start, grab your iPhone and open the Watch app. It's the one with the iconic Apple Watch icon on your home screen. Once you're in, head over to the My Watch tab at the bottom. This is your command center for all things Apple Watch. Now, scroll down until you see the list of installed apps. Tap on the app you want to update, and look for the Update button. It's usually right there, clear as day. If the app isn't showing an update option, it might already be up to date, or you could need to check your App Store settings. Pro tip: if you're doing this directly on your Apple Watch, just press the digital crown to access your apps, then open the App Store app. Search for the app in question, and if an update is available, hit that update button on the watch face itself. It's that simple. Sometimes, you might run into issues like a stuck update or network problems. In that case, ensure your Wi-Fi is stable, or try restarting both your watch and iPhone. Apple has made this process even more intuitive in 2025, with faster downloads and better notifications, so you won't be waiting around forever. And there you have it, manually updating apps on your Apple Watch is a breeze. By doing this regularly, you'll enjoy enhanced performance, new features, and top-notch security. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Apple tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video. See you soon.